Hi, welcome to Basic English. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Quench. Do you know what does it mean? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Quench, which basically means to satisfy the need of a person by drinking water or stop fire from burning. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি কোনো তৃষ্ণার্ত মানুষকে পানি দিয়ে তৃষ্ণা নিবারণ করা অথবা পানি দ্বারা আগুন নিভানো. Let's look at some example for better understanding. Example 1. We need more water to quench the fire. Example 2. Aiming to quench his thirst, the runner started drinking at full speed. Example 3. The firefighter was unable to quench the flame of the fire. Example 4. Her thirst of knowledge will never be quenched. The last one we have. In a hot day, it's best to quench your thirst with water.